Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your you and yours reading. Libra, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. And of course, this could be anyone, could be an ex, could be a current lover, could be a spouse, your father, mother, mother-in-law, a child, neighbor, sibling, whoever. You'll know once you see the reading. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. I'm very blessed. Thank you. And yes, if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So as always, Libra, I'm putting out two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energies, or your dialogue message cards and your action cards, and you will know which side you resonate best with if this is your reading, right? Oh my God, Tower. Underlying energy of your reading is the Tower. Some sudden drastic changes are on the horizon, but not all towers are bad. It just means something sudden is going to change, or has changed already in this connection. So let's see what's happening here. Now, Nine of Wands in reverse and the Magician in reverse. Somebody wants to somehow do anything by hook or by crook, end a conflict or a fight, and want the other person to put their barriers down now. Where person B is concerned, they are feeling rather victorious in their own life. They are good, they are happy, and they feel I have released something very toxic from my life. So let's see what's going on here. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Libra, and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that could be. Libra and their person spirit. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other. Libra and their person spirit. Thank you. All right, Libra, let's start with our first reading, which says, I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. Like I said, they want some fight to end now. They want to tell person B, hey, put down your guard now, put down those barriers, and they're trying to think of any way they can, trick person B maybe into kind of putting their guard down now. They don't want to lose person B. They say, okay, we've had a fight for a few days, weeks, months, I don't know for how long, but I can accept that. But I can't accept that you're going to disappear and I'll never see you again. That is not acceptable. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. So this could be you or them or whoever. And that's why they keep playing these trickster games, Spirit. I want to have children with you. Very confused. You are much more attractive to me when you are empowered rather than when you are insecure. So, yes, maybe this is person B feeling that about person A, that, why is there this insecurity always? Why do you always play games with me? I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. This is again saying, hey, let's end the fight now. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry with myself. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. So this could be a very strong connection. You guys must have felt like, he is the one or she is the one, or we are we are meant to be. And now the separation, whoever new you guys are meeting is not kind of measuring up to this very strong connection that you felt with each other. You're all I ever need to complete me. I'm happy for you. And the last card says here, I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time that I do. So I think these are unspoken emotions here. Maybe somebody was, let's see what this Tower moment, what really happened here. And I'm going to start this Libra with the angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with the guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra spirit. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. You're a leader. So basically this means that somebody here has to take the lead. This is seeming like some Tower moment has happened between the two of you, and one of you has to take the lead. Can't wait for the other one, and both of you waiting for the other one, it's never going to go anywhere, right? So Libra, since this is your reading, maybe this is a message for you. Maybe doing this is like very overwhelming for you. You feel, oh my God, but yes, Spirit is urging you, it's time now to take the lead and solve something here. Alright, so let's start with the energy of person A. So Libra, you will know whether you are here or here. For me, this is person A. So 9 of Wands spirit and the Magician. Why the feeling of this energy? 9 of Wands in reverse and the Magician in reverse. Oh, they're feeling I'm not being able to manifest the end of this fight. They're feeling, I think they've been praying or manifesting or something, and now they're feeling that I'm losing here. I'm not being able to end this fight. Somebody's feeling they're being judged for their bad deeds here. They don't want to shut this chapter down at all with person B, but they are feeling powerless. They're feeling I'm not being able to manifest the end of this connection. Maybe they are unable to even apologize to person B, and they feel they'll be judged by their partner if they go towards them with an apology. So they're just sitting back and maybe manifesting it. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they do have a lot of romantic feelings for person B. They do, but they feel if I go with my love offer, it's going to be rejected, right? So it's going to be rejected. What's the point? I'll go, I'll be rejected, I'm going to be judged. They don't want this chapter to end, and none of their manifestations are working either to end this fight. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel this way? 5 of Swords in reverse. Somebody tried to make the other person feel they were not worth it. Yes. Maybe somebody played mind games here, hurt the other person, and whoever was hurt in this dynamic ended the situation with them, lost trust for their partner, because a beautiful connection of the 4 of Wands kind of crumbled because of some kind of silly mind games that were played here. 4 of Wands, Spirit? 4 of Wands. Yeah, somebody was cold, they were harsh, they were rude, they were mean, they didn't bring any happiness to the connection. Maybe they were not clear, or maybe somebody lied here maybe also, and the other partner felt left out, abandoned, in the cold, and this 4 of Wands, which could have been, didn't happen. And the sun came down on this connection. So how does person A feel about this connection now? They feel that enough is enough. We've been going back and forth for a long time now. Hey, can we just come out of this now? We've been stuck for so long in this fight, going back and forth, how to do it, how to do it. They're wishing and hoping that somebody would just drop the fight now, come out of this stuck place and return. What's this Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. So much of defensive energy. How do you expect somebody to return back, person A? Yes, they do want, they know they're in trouble right now. They know that whatever mind games or whatever this very bad behavior was, I think in the past, the partner has kind of put up these barriers and this. That's how they feel about the connection. They know that the reason their partner is not returning back to them is because they didn't like this behavior. They're putting up these barriers. They're moving on with their own life, with their own work or business or whatever person B is putting their attention in, and holding their ground. No longer, interested in returning back to this connection now. That's at least how person A is perceiving person B or the connection. Let's see how person B is feeling. Six of Wands. Why does person B feel the Six of Wands, Spirit? They feel person A was very egoistic, very prideful. They feel that person A brought the tower down on them, on this connection, and they've decided, I'm not even going to fight for this connection anymore. I'm releasing not just this toxicity from this connection, but also from the I'm releasing this person, period. They are right now trying to come out of this feeling of loss, of regret and sorrow, because they feel all love has been lost now after this tower has come down on this connection. So they're kind of giving up hope, they're kind of giving up on the connection. What happened in the recent past for them to take such a major, decision, Spirit? Three of Pentacles. I think they waited, they were at crossroads for a very long time, waiting for somebody to make a choice. Yes, see, somebody was waiting for the other person maybe to make a choice, till maybe they figured out that this King of Wands or person A was in third parties here. Am I right, Spirit? What's this Three of... Yes, something they found out about a third party which made them feel it's impossible to have victory here. It's not possible. What's the point of waiting around when I'll always be made to feel like a loser? King of Wands? King of Wands, Spirit? What's this King of Wands? King of Wands. Maybe there was some communication between the two of you. Somebody played some trick. This is like a very immature energy. This King of Wands, who's usually a very stable person, a person who likes attention and likes to see what else is out there. They played some kind of an immature game, maybe in their conversation or something like that, which made person B realize this connection is not worth fighting for. I don't know what they said and why they said it, whether it was a joke or they were trying to delay something. Let's see how person B now feels about person A. Temperance. Person B is healing themselves right now. Justice. Okay. Justice. They feel this relationship turned really, really toxic, as much as person B really felt that this connection had potential. This could really be a balanced, beautiful, spiritually guided connection, and this could have been their, could have made their wishes come true, or this was a divinely guided connection. but they felt that it suddenly kind of took a very toxic turn here. It became something that they didn't want to be in, and they turned it down because they lost the passion for this connection after whatever tower moment that happened between the two of you here, Libra. So justice, according to them, what is the justice? Okay. Yes, they feel justice would be to turn their back and not stay wrapped up in the past, instead move on to something stable and brand new for themselves. That's how they feel. That's how person B feels. They feel, to bring back justice to my life, I will not now sit in the bad memories created with this past person. I would rather move to something brand new. So let's see what action person A will take towards this connection. Queen of Wands. Why is that an action, Spirit, that person A will take? Why is that an action that person A will take? Yes, they have their eye on, I think, person B, who they want to end a conflict with and move to a happier place, but except that they are totally in their head at the moment, stressing about it, overthinking it, trapped in their own mind about how to get this Queen of Wands now, because they feel this Queen of Wands is already leaving. They would like to make up, they would like to somehow end this trouble, but they can't think of a way out. Let's see, person B, if you could take any action, what would that be? 7 of Cups. I think person B is already checking out their new options here. 7 of Cups, why is that an action that person B will take? Yes, they are concentrating on other things right now. They are not taking any action at all. I think they are checking out to see what else is out there, or they could have many things that they are working on. This could be multiple things. This could be their job, business, family, friends, new suitors, whatever. This person has a lot on their plate right now, and they are busy concentrating on other things. Am I right, Spirit? What else? Any action? Yes, person B is taking back power, taking back control of their own life. They are no longer investing in a connection which they feel was totally imbalanced. Let's try once again for person A. Any action, Spirit, person A can take? Will they ever get out of their head and take any action? They do want a reunion. They do want this very, very badly. They want this person as their spouse or their happily ever after. They have high regard for person B, I think. But look at them. Overwhelmed, stressed out, not knowing what to do, what to say. So no wonder my angels are saying, hey, you're a leader. You should take action. You can if you put your mind to it. Right? So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.